Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact folder and making a quick backup so you can recover if needed. Once done, reveal hidden files and sort by date or size to find candidates quickly. Next, select files using Shift-click for ranges or Control-click for specific items. Use the search bar with filters like asterisk, TMP or size 10 MB to narrow results. Make sure to check recently modified items before you delete, because visible selection reduces accidental removal. Now you move into the execution phase where safety matters. Remove normally to send files to recycle or trash so you can undo. If you need permanent removal, use Shift+Delete on Windows or an equivalent permanent delete on Mac. Be cautious. For large batches, open a terminal and use RM or PowerShell remove item. Always run a dry run option like whatif or echo to preview. Make sure to resolve permission prompts. Run as admin or sudo when the system blocks deletion. Finish by emptying the recycle or trash, and when needed, use a secure delete tool or shred to overwrite sensitive data. Once done, verify by listing the folder and running a file name search to confirm absence and reclaimed space. If a file won't delete, it's usually locked. Close the application, check Task Manager or use Elsoft to find handles, or reboot to release locks. If permission errors persist, elevate to admin rights or take ownership before retrying. That solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.